All right, so here's the initial analysis for the week heading into week starting January 26th. It looks like the market is definitely short on USD for this, at least for the upcoming days. We will see, though. It's too early to tell. So when I look at USD as a group, um, strongly bearish, strongly bearish. The question is, will this hold? And when I compare it against the other composites, for example, pound, Aussie, and New Zealand, Swiss, and yen. So when we look at pound had some sort of consolidation, resolved up, right? We look at Aussie and New Zealand have both been dominant last week. We could see that we're still advancing there. New Zealand, the same thing. Now, so the only one that truly intrigues me is the New Zealand. The news. When I say intrigue, New Zealand as a group is stepping down. So it's already technically as a group in its 2 day composite. So for me, that's a huge red flag that the market may not be willing to carry risk on New Zealand anymore. We'll have to see how this progresses over time. When I look at the currency pair, New Zealand USD, though, this is still advancing. So it's a divergence there. It's not crystal clear in terms of what the currency pair is expressing, as opposed to what the actual composite is saying. But composite is the net balance sheet. So that will reign supreme. And so when we see those divergences, we have to act accordingly. So when I look at Aussie USD is expressed accurately, as you can see. We're still in the 1 day cycles here. Same thing with USD Swiss and USD yen. So when I look at Swiss and yen as composites, we're still clearly in 1 day cycles, right? We're still advancing. S1's still strong. S1 still strong. So what I'm looking forward to see is, let me put New Zealand on the bottom tier there. Uh, what I want to see is how the market responds today. If we can get some sort of consolidation, and then we want to see if we can get a 2 day expansion. Now, this is a strong bullish move up. So the only thing that we're really asking is, hey, pound, hey, Aussie, hey, Swiss, hey, yen, possibly New Zealand. Are you all willing to carry risk higher against the USD, right? We don't have that answer yet today. Tomorrow will give us a bit more clarity to see if we can get continuation absorption, because that will tell us that the market is in fact rotating higher to do business rather, um, higher on these currency pairs. But it's too early to tell. We definitely don't want to be buying at the top on any of these situations. Markets have a tendency to fill gaps, right? But we're not. That's not our edge. We're not gap traders, right? It does have a tendency to fill it. Um, but again, London hasn't come in yet, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see if the market stalls, and then we'll look for some sort of ranging type activity, and then we'll see if we can get in on anything counter to the USD, maybe tomorrow. But nothing for today in the Forex lens. We'll stand by and see how this evolves over time. Thanks.